Give it a really good bang, and we can now remove this peg, which is locked on by a pin with a magnet inside of there. This is the Barrel Cooper Sequential Discovery Puzzle Box. The goal is to figure out how to open up the box, and we can get a little bit of movement from either side of the barrel here. If we pull the barrel out on this side, you can get this one free spinning, but we can't do the same thing with the other side just yet. And it does snap into place here. And then if we take it over to this side as well, it does kind of snap into place right here as well. But that's not the first move on this puzzle box. The first move is to flip this puzzle box on its side and remove this peg that's locking in place there. Give it a really good bang, and we can now remove this peg, which is locked on by a pin with a magnet inside of there. You can see this piece has a key look on the end to it. And if you look in here, you can see there is a screw inside of here that needs that screwdriver in order to help you pull it out of the barrel. Once you have this piece out of the barrel, we can pull it up a little bit further. Once you have this piece out of the barrel, now we can free spin this center spot, and we want to spin it into the back so it lines up with the back part of the barrel. Next, we can take this piece and spin it around so that we get it to snap into place on the other side. Now that we've done that, we can pull this screw up a little bit further and it'll go down a different track on the inside. Once we do that, we can push it down all the way, which pops out the bottom of the barrel. And now you've found this first secret hidden compartment, but don't stop there. There's another secret hidden compartment inside of this barrel. If we flip the puzzle box back over, we should be able to get that screw to come out the bottom of the barrel. Now the next part here, you need to focus on the inside of the barrel there. We actually need to take this bottom part on here now and pull it out, and we can spin it around so that this back piece lines up with this side here. Next, take this piece and we're going to push it inside of here and push out the other side of the barrel. And finally, the puzzle is solved. To get the Barrel Cooper Sequential Discovery Puzzle Box for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca.